Subscribe for watch this video and then click on bell button and allow it. Hey guys, this is Iman. Welcome to All-in-One. In this tutorial I will show you how to solve Bluestacks graphics error problem. Here we can see Bluestacks show a problem, could not start your engine. You can try restarting either the engine or PC. So I have a solution both of this problem. So let's go started. Click on start menu and then search for run. And then right here reset it, then okay, then you can see something like this. Then you have to click hack your local machine, then click on software, click on Bluestacks, then gadgets, Android, then config. Then we have to create a page here. Here we have to rename this page, so we have to use this name. I will give it in my description box. You can copy from here easily. Then enter. I already make a folder, so show this notification. After make your page, click mouse right button on it, then click modify. Here you can see value data 0. You have to make it 1, then click OK. Both of problems solved. Now you can use Bluestacks without any problem. So friends, please subscribe my channel to get more videos and don't forget to like, comment, share. Thanks for watching this video.